YT, it's your boy QDG coming to you live and direct with the new video. In today's vid, I'm showing you guys how to do a skin taper on the size of a man bun, alright? Today is August 20. Cool.
Hey, but if you do a man bun on a kid, it's still a man bun or just boy bun?
He's 15. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to do a boy bun. Kid bun. Boy bun. Alright, in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to. Can y'all just get these guys, man? Can y'all get these guys? Just so man bun tutorial, skin taper on the sides. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Okay guys, my initial guideline, I'm using my T outliners, sending the initial guideline. Okay, second guideline is my 2-blade on my Andis BGRCs, and I'm going up about like 2 inches. Okay, so my next guideline is my 1-blade, and I'm going up about like halfway between the 2 and the bald line. Okay, so now I'm starting to blend in the taper. I have my master's 1 guard completely closed, flicking out at the middle line. Okay, so here I have my 0 guard completely closed, flicking out at the middle line. Okay, so here I have no guard, my master's completely closed, flicking out at the bald line. Okay, so here I have my master's 2 guard completely closed, flicking out at the 2 guideline. right where I'm flicking out, right here I have my foreguard completely closed, and I'm gonna work my way down to the 2. Yeah, there was just a line there, and you guys can't see it pretty much, but like in the time, it was like a line. So right now I'm just like trying to flick that out. Okay, so if not, one of the most important things in the haircut, in my opinion, is lining up the client. So here I have my Andis T outliners with the GTX blade modified, and I have it 0 gapped, okay? These are hitters, man. These punch pretty well. I love these trimmers. Hands down one of my go-tos, but like these are probably like one of the best trimmers ever, especially if you get the GTX blade modified. So yeah, right here I'm just lining him up around the ears, in the back, and sides, and the front. Guys, this is the final look of the cut. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.